Hey guys, do you ever find yourself making excuses that you just don't have enough time to work out? If so, then I'm going to show you how you can do an awesome shoulder workout in just 10 minutes. Stick around. Hey guys, Rick here with 5150 Fitness. Remember to always consult your doctor prior to starting any diet or exercise program. So, the number one excuse I always hear from people is I just don't have enough time to work out. I get it. We all have busy schedules these days, and we can't afford to spend hours in the gym. That's why I put together this quick shoulder workout that can be done in just 10 minutes. That's right, guys, 10 minutes. Always remember to warm up prior to starting any exercise program. For all of these exercises, you're going to be using between 30 to 40% of your 1 rep max. For example, if your 1 rep max is 100 pounds, you're going to be using between 30 and 40 pounds. Now these next 7 exercises will be done with a 1-minute rest in between each exercise. And always remember to drink water. Here we go. Guys, I hope you're feeling an awesome pump from those 7 exercises. Don't forget to click the subscribe button for more great workouts like this one. See you soon.